Typecasting in Java refers to the process of converting a value of one data type to another. It allows you to treat an object or variable as a different type temporarily. Java supports two types of casting: implicit casting, widening, and explicit casting, narrowing. Implicit casting, widening. Implicit casting happens when you assign a value of a smaller data type to a variable of a larger data type. It is done automatically by the Java compiler as it is considered safe. Here's an example. Java. Copy code. Int num equals 10. Long bigNum equals num. Implicit casting from int to long. In the example above, the value of the num variable, int, is assigned to the bigNum variable, long, without the need for explicit casting. Since a long can hold a wider range of values than an int, it is considered safe. Explicit casting, narrowing. Explicit casting occurs when you assign a value of a larger data type to a variable of a smaller data type. It requires explicitly specifying the target type in parentheses. Explicit casting is necessary because it may result in data loss or loss of precision. Here's an example. Java. Copy code. Double bigNum equals 3.14. Int num equals int bigNum. Explicit casting from double to int. In the example above, the value of bigNum, double, is assigned to num, int, by explicitly casting it to an int. Since an int has a smaller range and does not support decimal places, there may be a loss of precision. It's important to note that explicit casting can lead to data loss or unexpected behavior if the value being casted is outside the range of the target data type. Typecasting is also applicable to object types, where you can cast between different classes or interfaces in the class hierarchy. However, typecasting between unrelated types can result in a class cast exception if the types are not compatible. Java. Copy code. Class A. Class B extends A. A obj equals new B. BOBJB equals B, obj. Explicit casting from A to B. In the example above, an object of class B is implicitly UP casted to class A, then explicit casting is used to downcast it back to class B. It's important to use typecasting judiciously and ensure compatibility between types to avoid potential errors and exceptions.